Today I'm going to show you how to make a mini booklet with using A4 paper. So let's start. First, you need to fold this A4 paper. 2 and 3. So first we will use this for the border. Then we will join all this afterwards. So then here we will take one chapter. Then the rules are more means we'll use the next page also. If it is less, we will stop there. So like that. Then here one lesson, here one. I think I have 7 to 8 or 9 lessons. We'll check afterwards, but till here it's enough. Okay, so see. So here we will start like here. This is the entrance. Okay. Here we will put border like some marked borders. Okay. We'll start. So I will write it and show you. But before that, you should make it like a cube. Okay. So here you are going to write M-A-T-H. Then in this box, on this box, we are going to draw some shapes. And here I will draw some flowers. And here we are going to write like this and write subject, class, section, and school. We will write. So till here it's clear, right? We will do the next step. I will write it. Before writing, I'll put these drawings and I will show you. So like this, and here I do the flowers. Here I'm going to write my name, submitted from and to, on the section and class. Here I will draw some shapes. Okay, we will see it. So in one side I drew all the basic shapes, and in this So hi friends, this is my math project in which I wrote all the formulas. I beautifully decorated it with border. Then I wrote math because it's the subject. Then I wrote formulas math book. Then I wrote a compass, divider, scale. Then I wrote by, to, section, class, subject and school. And next page I wrote average. This is the symbol of average. This is sum of the quantities by number of the quantities. So next we have ratio. Ratio doesn't have formula but has a rule. So this is its symbol. So to find the ratio of two numbers or quantities of the same kind, divide one of them by the other. So next we have speed, distance, time. So speed, distance by time, average speed, total distance taken, total time taken, distance, speed by time, time, distance by speed. So speed, distance, time doesn't have any symbol, so I didn't draw. Even area doesn't have any symbol. So area of rectangle is length by breadth and area of square is side by side. Next we have volume. Even volume doesn't have any symbol. So here it is volume. So this is the figures that have volume: cube, cuboid, sphere. So volume of cube, length of edge, length of edge and length of edge. So volume of a cuboid, length into breadth into height. Now next you have percentage. So this is the formula, means in 100% there is 12% in pink color and rest in other color. So its formula is part by whole into 100. Then profit and loss. So formula is profit equal to selling price minus cost price. Loss equal to cost price minus selling price. Selling price equal to cost price plus profit. Selling price minus loss. Cost price equal to selling price minus profit. Cost price equal to selling price plus loss. So next page I wrote thank you, then the end. So that is my math formula project booklet. Thank you.